Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dojina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Please don't forget to follow my page, stick with me because I have a lot of recipes to share with you. In today's video, I'll share with you how to make sausage bread roll. This turned out so delicious, it's yumicious, and even the bread itself, it's soft, it's delicious. I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add in flour, sugar, dry active yeast, and grated nutmeg. Stir these ingredients together till well combined. When combined, create a wall in the middle and add in egg. Warm milk. The warm milk, I added it to it little at a time. Add in salt and mix these ingredients together till combined. When combined, knead it for about 5 minutes or for about 3 minutes in the bowl and then cover it with a cling film. So you want to set it aside to rest for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface and transfer the dough on it. By then it has formed gluten and it makes it easier for you to knead. Add in softened butter. Make sure your butter is very soft. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface, add in butter, and then knead it for about 7 to 10 minutes. You want a stretchy dough. This is what you're looking for. When done, put it back in the bowl. Make sure you spread a little bit of oil in the bowl to prevent it from sticking to it, and then cover it with a cling film. Let it rest for an hour or until doubled in size. After 1 hour, this is how your dough should be. Deflate the dough and transfer it onto your work surface. Now roll it in a long shape like this and then cut it into smaller pieces. It should be around 50 to 60 grams each. When done, bring one of the dough and roll it in the ball shape on your palm, just like so, and keep it aside. Or you can roll it on your work surface like so and keep it aside. Cover the dough with cling film to stop it from drying out. Now line your baking tray with the parchment paper. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface. Bring one of the dough, flatten it a bit with your palm, and then roll it in a square shape. Just like so. This is the sausage that I'll be using, and then place it in the middle of the dough. So you want to cut a straight slice like this as demonstrated in the video, and cut off any excess dough left. Now fold it by crisscrossing it just like so. Bring one, fold it, and then the other one you cross it with it. Fold it all the way to the end, and that's what it should be when done. It's very easy making this. Once you make the first one, the second one will be very easier for you to make. It's easy, trust me. So this is what you're looking for. Arrange it on your baking tray. Isn't it beautiful? Cover it with a clean napkin and then let it rest or until doubled in size. Let it rest for 30 minutes or until doubled in size. Just like so. I'll go ahead and brush on top with an egg wash. And sprinkle a little bit of sesame seed on top. When done, bake it at 165 degrees Celsius from 25 to 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, just look at it. Isn't it beautiful? I'll brush on top with a little bit of melted butter, and that's all, guys. It took no time. less ingredients, and you're good to go. Your kids will love it, your guests will love it. It's so easy making this. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, love you all, and stay blessed. Wow, the bread on itself alone, it's so delicious. You can have this as a breakfast or a snack. See you in my next video. Till then, adios. Delicious.